What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? So I just left the paint and body shop that's going to be doing the repairs on the Challenger. I know I haven't updated you guys in about a week, but it has been a very long and a very irritating process dealing with the insurance company. Well, it's really not so much the insurance company. They're not the ones that's been holding everything up. It's more like the people that actually hit the car. What happened with them is I called State Farm, which was their insurance company, and I made the claim through them. And I submitted all the proof. I submitted the pictures. I submitted my dash cam footage. And I actually went back to the place that it happened, and I got the security camera footage. I submitted that to them. I submitted the police report, and I made my statement with the insurance agent. But they could not get in contact with the guy that hit the car. And then they tried calling his girlfriend, since the guy didn't have a driver's license and the car was not, or he was not listed on the insurance policy. They had to get in contact with her, and they weren't answering. They had called them multiple times. They had sent them emails, text messages. They sent them letters in the mail, and nobody was responding to anything. So after about a week of that, they escalated it to an escalation team, and I thought that from there everything would be resolved. But they informed me that since he wasn't listed on the insurance policy, they had to talk to that to the lady, the girlfriend, the one that the car was insured in, or her name in, just to verify what their relationship is, and to confirm that he was authorized to drive the car. So since they weren't answering State Farm's calls, I kind of took matters into my own hands, and I sent them a text message. I said, hey, they've been trying to get a hold of you. You're not answering the phone. Basically, my car's not going to get fixed until you answer the phone. So if you don't answer them and I can't get my car fixed, I'm going to open up a lawsuit against you to compensate for the damage to my car. And I guess that worked. I guess they heard the word lawsuit and they got scared, because not even an hour later, State Farm called me back and said, hey, we finally spoke to them. So now you can go ahead and choose a shop that will do the repair on your car. So that's what I did. And so I went with a shop called All Pro Paint and Body. It's located in Victoria, Texas. I've heard really good things about that shop. I've seen some of their reviews. I've seen some of the pictures of their work, and it all looks really, really good. So I chose them to do the repairs. And so today I went over there to get the estimate for the repairs, and it's actually a lot better than what I thought it would be. So the quarter panel is kind of crushed in a little bit, but they said that they will be able to repair that. They're not going to have to replace it, so they're going to pull out the dent. They will have to use a little bit of body filler for any of the creases that they're not able to pull out. So they're going to do that, and then they are going to first they're going to grind it down to bare metal. They're going to use a little bit of body filler for whatever they can't get out, and then they're going to re-primer it. They're going to blend in the primer, so that way there won't be any hard lines and won't be noticeable. And then they are going to they're going to color match that portion, and they're going to blend it with the rest of the quarter panel. And then they're actually going to redo the entire clear coat on the quarter panel, just that way nothing will be noticeable. It won't look like anything ever happened. And then the bumper will have to be replaced. It's cracked, and the clips are broken. The actual clips on the bumper are broken. So they are going to order me a new OEM bumper from Dodge. I told them I didn't want any aftermarket parts. I didn't want any kind of fitment issues, especially with it being such a newer car. I didn't want to have any kind of issues or anything like that. So it's no problem. They're going to order an OEM bumper from Dodge, and they're going to put that on the car. And then, that's going to have to be fully, I think it says it's going to come primered. They're going to have to sand the primer. They're going to color match it, shoot clear on it, and then it should be a done deal from there. They are going to, they're not going to put new reflectors or anything on there. They're just going to use the ones that are already on it, since those are not damaged. And so it should be, from here on out, it should be a done deal. I don't think I'm going to drop the car off until later on this week, just because I have to get the whole rental situation sorted out. I have to figure out, I think I have to go through the insurance company. They are paying for the rental. There is no doubt about that. But I think I have to call them to set up a confirmation code so that they can set the reservation through Enterprise. And then from what I was told, I will drop the Challenger off at the shop, and then somebody from Enterprise will come and pick me up and take me to their location, and then from there I should get the rental. So hopefully, you know, I won't have any trouble with that, since this whole process has just been nothing but trouble. So I think I'm gonna drop the car off Friday of this week. If I do that, he said that they should be able to get the new bumper. They should be able to have it shipped to them overnight. If not, they'll get it 2-day shipped. He wasn't able to give me an estimate for how long this repair should take. I'm thinking it shouldn't take anywhere more than a week, maybe 2 weeks. I'm not sure. That's assuming that there's no complications. That's assuming that there's no underlying damage underneath the quarter panel or the bumper. As of right now, it seems like it's all just cosmetic damage. So Challenger is going to be getting fixed, and she should be looking brand new again. And I think as soon as she gets out, you know, she's going to deserve a spa day. She's going to, you know, get a really nice detail. And we will, of course, have more mods coming for the Challenger. So that is the update so far. This is everything that's happened. It has been a huge headache, but it seems like it's finally starting to be resolved. And I will update you guys whenever she goes in to the shop to actually get the repair started. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. I appreciate all the help you guys have been over the past couple of videos, and all the messages I've been receiving on Instagram with all the encouraging words, all the advice, all the support. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe for new videos, hopefully every single week. You know, her getting damaged definitely kind of threw a wrench in the whole plan, but everything looks like it's going to be sorted out. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and be safe. Peace.